Grace here with the Colored Umbrella, and this week for Tumblers101 we are going to be talking about everything that you need to start making tumblers. Best thing to start with is, of course, tumbler turners. There are so many different types of turners out there. It can be very overwhelming and hard to figure out which one you should get. And there's definitely some that work really well, some that do not work really well. So let's dive right in. So all of these turners work great. There honestly is nothing like seriously wrong with any of them. This is a really great one for when you're first starting off. You can get them for really cheap on Amazon. Some things that I like about it: the speed on it is good. It's not too slow or not too fast. This holds cups really well. It's even the heavier ones. Some things that I don't like so much about these: this isn't exactly the most sturdy. If I can give you any advice on tumbler turners, listen to this one. On and off switches. That is like, so I avoid turners with the power switch on the cord as much as I can. But these turners, you'll see them all over Amazon, are honestly, they're really great starter tumbler turners. They're easy to put together, easy on the wallet. This turner I also got on Amazon. I think it was like $22.99 or something, so really cheap on top of that. The power switch is attached, which is amazing. It goes so slow, like so slow. Some go faster and then some go slower. Sometimes the slower ones are nice and then the faster ones are nicer as well. So I do have a mixture of both. This one though is the slowest one out of all of them. Also, the thing I don't like is you can't detach this. It's really nice having the option of taking the arm out. Honestly, this one just pretty much stays in a box all the time. I love this turner. As you can see, it is very well loved. They all are. This is actually the cleanest one that I have. The speed, perfect. It goes fast, but not too fast. Just quickly unscrew this and that comes right off. So I could easily swap them in and out. The on and off switch is right here. I've been using this turner for about 2.5 years now, and I like it so much that I actually have 40 of them. I got it on Amazon and they're like $34. A lot of the times they'll give you some epoxy with them as well. It's still really good for like keychains or little practice projects. A lot of times they'll also give you like gloves, silicone brushes, and like tons of different little free accessories. So if anybody is ever starting off making tumblers, but this is the one that I always recommend like right away because the price isn't too high and it's really reliable and it comes with everything that you need to start making tumblers. I do have this one on my storefront, so you can check it out there. This last one I've only been using for like a month now and I am in love and obsessed, and it is the Rolls Royce of tumbler turners. If you've never heard of Deno's tumbler turners, you need to go find them. It's so amazing. The on and off switch is right here, and I love that it's in the front. This quick release, game changer. So you've got this right here and it comes with this one. All you do is put it on there and that's it. You don't have to worry about like any screws or anything. And then I could just pop this off and pop it back on. So it's super quick and easy. If I want to work on 2 tumblers at once, I can just put that right here at the top and start working on my next cup. You notice these little knobs on the side. If you loosen them, this actually moves, so you can adjust it, and when you're ready just to have it all level, all you do is just tighten it. It doesn't move and it's just ready to spin and become perfect. There's a cup turner that you can buy at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, or I believe Joanne. I think Joann's has them. So I tried one once and it went back really quick. Like, it just was not stable at all, and I felt like it fell all over the place. Single cup turners or multiple cup turners. This is a 2-cup turner. You can go from 1 to, I've seen a 20 cup turner or a 100 cup turner. Like, there's so many different ones out there. Some people love the multiple cup turners. Me personally, I'm not a huge fan of them. When I'm making cups, I like literally like I'll pull the turner out and work on it. I have to be like up in it. Also, I'm a very messy crafter, so if my cups are right next to each other, really good chance I'm accidentally gonna like knock into the other one. But it's one of those things where you just kind of have to try it out and see what you like. Maybe I've just been doing the single ones for so long that that's just what I'm used to. So when I tried trying something else, I don't know, it just didn't work for me. So when it comes down to it, I think the main thing about cup turners that I want you to make sure that you look for is the speed. Typically they're going to be 300 RPM and then 600. I like going with the 600 because I like the faster ones. When you're first starting off, the slower ones are definitely nice. When it's really fast, you're going to feel like, oh my gosh, I don't have time to do this. So if you are just barely starting off, definitely go with the slower ones. I would not go under 300 though. Next, the power button. If you can, try to get one that has a power button attached to the actual turner, not to the power cord. You'll thank me later for that one. And when you are first starting off, don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money. In fact, you should not spend a lot of money. Make sure that you love making them before you invest in really fancy, expensive tumbler items. I really like this one because it comes with everything. I think it even comes with a couple practice cups. So if you can find one of the tumbler turners that comes with supplies and everything that you need to make tumblers, that's definitely a winner. But once you fall in love with making tumblers, which I know that you will because they are the best to make, go check out Deno's tumbler turners. I finally did, and now I can see why everybody's obsessed with them. If you have any specific questions on tumbler turners, make sure you drop those in the comments. And if you have a tumbler turner that you absolutely love, leave a comment about it. Well, I think we should all learn from each other and help each other out. So I have not tried every single tumbler turner that is in the world, and there are some amazing ones out there. So let's help each other out and make sure you share which one you use and why you like it. And if you have one that you've tried and you don't love it, share that one too. That way we can know what to try and what not to try. Hope you have an amazing, wonderful day, and happy crafting with your tumbler turners. Bye!